Bam! All right, guys. So, quickie video. One of the most important things you need is right here in my hand, but I want to let you guys know I've been doing keto for 11, almost 12 years. I'm 51. I have a whole video catalog that you guys can see my journey over time, being strict keto with no refeeds, no sugar, no carbs, no starches, no sweet fruits. Now, with that said, the one thing that you really need is, and I'll still go into it, but don't forget to sign up for my keto course, which is, well, I actually do keto, low carb, and keto carnivore at stephanieperson.com, or you could go to my Instagram at stephanieketogenic for more information. Definitely go on my stories, because each day I teach you guys how to do everything: shop, work out, fix the systems, the freaking oxalates. Now let's go into the oxalates. Or not. Well, that would be good for magnesium citrate, but we're going to go into magnesium. Yes. So I use a transdermal magnesium and an oral. So I use magnesium glycinate. I'm not really into brands. You guys got to find the one that you like. Now, some who cannot handle the glycinate, you can use malate. Citrate is great for those who have a hard time pooping, who've got thyroid issues, gut issues, or are trying to get rid of the deposits of oxalate everywhere. Magnesium citrate. Now, with that said, the best way, because people are like, it burns, transdermal salts burn magnesium salts. Now you can use I use a combo. This has magnesium and cacao butter in it. So I'll apply this first, and then I'll use another transdermal magnesium. Now I don't care about the brands. So when I really get it rubbed in the skin, it doesn't burn at all when I use the cacao butter and the magnesium transdermal lotion salt. And I'll just slather that on and go on about my day, because that is one thing you must have is magnesium. It's the only supplement I'm like, you can't go without, because our soils have been overfarmed, y'all. So we don't have magnesium-rich foods anymore, and therefore we must supplement it. Because I've been doing this for so long without refeeding, I know for a fact that's one of the biggest problems is magnesium deficiency and your electrolytes. You must be on your electrolytes and drink enough water on a ketogenic protocol. All right, guys, that's it. If you want a consultation, you can go to stephanieperson.com, where I will set you right. And if you want to do low carb, high fat, or keto, carnivore, because you must do them together or carnivore won't work, then go to stephanieperson.com, or you can join my Facebook course, which is dirt cheap, but you'll learn a lot. And I'm out. Yeah. And I'm out. And I am, what is it? I used to say I'm 40 something, but now I'm 50 something. And this is the mother sucking business. I'm out, guys. Peace.